Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Kim with Creative Crafticality, and today I have a pretty significant Goodwill bins haul for you of junk journal supplies. And this day was an amazing day for books. They did three rotations of books, and if you don't know what the Goodwill bins are, it's like the Goodwill outlet, and it's like the last ditch effort to sell their stuff. If it doesn't sell in the stores, then it goes to the bins. And my location has 3 giant blue bins of books, pretty much all the time. And it's 59 cents a pound for books. And then they also have bins of clothes and hard goods, and those are all $1.99 a pound. So the books are definitely the best deal. And of course, they're the heaviest items, but you can find a lot sometimes, and sometimes I go and I don't find much. But this time I found a whole bunch. I found lots of books for journals, and then also I found books for my mother-in-law who is teaching homeschooling her couple of her grandchildren and her great-grandchild. So yeah, so I found a bunch for her, so I'll send those off to her and she can use those in Nana school. And then these items I'll be using in my junk journals. So I'll go ahead and get started here. I found this really cute Hansel and Gretel, and it had the cassette with it. So I may just keep this for my own personal collection. I have a collection of records and the books as well. But I just thought this was a super cute little book. And then I found a few, or 2 or 3 little golden books. I found the Little Red Hen, the Fuzzy Duckling, and the Lively Little Rabbit. So I think I'll make some more spring themed journals with these possibly, or maybe some junk journal kits. So they seem to be pretty old. Like this one's a 71. This one's probably a little bit newer than that. 77. And then, let's see what this one is. This is an 82. So, yeah, super cute. Then I found this Betty Crocker's Outdoor Cookbook. This is really cute. This is in 1961. So that's, yeah, it's really cute. I love the illustrations on the front cover. And then I found this Baker's Chocolate and Coconut Favorites. And I thought this would be a good little cookbook to use in my Candyland book, because I think there were some candy recipes in there. I found the Country Bunny and the Little Golden Shoes. This one I thought had some really cute, it's kind of like a Peter Rabbit sort of vibe. So I thought that was cute. And then this one, the Wild Wild Sunflower Child. I just made a couple sunflower seed packet journals, which they both sold. So that was good. If you'd like to see me make more of those, I do have some vintage flower seed packets that I thought about making more. I don't have any sunflower, but there are other flowers. And then I found a Child's Garden of Song. This one looks like it's probably from the 50s. 49 actually. So I just loved all the illustrations in here as well as the music. It's really cute. I did find a Reader's Digest, and I need to get back into making more Reader's Digest journals because I might just do like a color, like just start making different colored journals, like just the whole book is like blue, and then this is the blue cover, and I'll do something with blue items on the front. These were just randomly in the bins. They're vintage workbook pages, and they were just folded up like this. It's like maybe, I was thinking maybe a junk journaler dropped these off because they had them already folded up for a journal, but that probably not. But it was just, I just thought it was strange that they were in there already folded. Just the cutest illustrations on them too. I'm not quite sure. Oh, it looks like one of those hidden picture magazines. I think actually my mom used, or like we used to get them as kids. It was a, I think that was it says hidden pictures, and I think it was like a subscription magazine or something. And I found this 50 songs for children Whitman book, and this one I love. This has really fun color illustrations. This is really cool. Pull out a little bit here so you can actually see the whole thing. There we go. So pretty. Every page spread is just beautiful. Just the classic songs. It's really, really neat book. It's a pretty tall one too. It's probably more than 12 inches tall. Probably about 13 inches tall by, I don't know, 10. It's a neat book. And then I found Christmas music. I've picked these up before, but they have nice little illustrations along the tops on some of the pages. So this is pretty cool. Nice little book. I found Super Mario Adventures. I'm actually collecting some 80s video game themed items, and I found lots of, actually found some Super Mario little golden books, new, at I think Walmart, but I have found other 80s themed items, so I think I want to do an 80s or video game themed journal at some point. But I just thought this was a cool book to use. And then I found some Christmas napkins. Just a small pack. It has Santa and then the reindeer on the back. So those will be cool for my Christmas journals. I found this really neat fall stamp. It looks like it's never been used. I don't know what brand it is. Doesn't have a branding on it. It's $12 when it was new though. But I thought that was just beautiful for fall journals. And this I picked up for my friend Crystal, who still does, she's Happy to Plan here on YouTube. Go ahead and check her channel out. But this looks like a brand new thing of Happy Planner stickers, so I don't think it's ever been, anything's been used out of it. So I got that for her. Going to be seeing her here shortly in a couple weeks for the Great Lakes Mega Meat Scrapbooking Convention. It's going to be in Michigan, so I'm going to be driving over there to see her and her sister Alyssa. And then the last few items here, I found these these envelopes, and they have printing on them. So there's a few Christmas ones, and then most of the other ones are flowers or birds. But they, whoops, that's the other side of the bird one. Flowers. Thought these would be good for botanical for fairy journals, which I just finished making my fairy journals, and I'm going to have those up in my Etsy shop. If you haven't seen the video, I made some embellishments in one video and then did a full flip through of the finished journals. These are really pretty. I think this is probably my favorite because I love that teal color. And the purple are really pretty too. This one is pretty. The thing about the bins is that people will donate things and they'll be like in boxes or bags, and then just from people rummaging through the bins, they get all scattered. So sometimes you have to collect items that are in the bottom scattered around. And of course you definitely want to wash or wipe things down or whatever, and your hands. But they're so pretty. Several here. One. I love to use envelopes in my journals. You can use them to make the covers. You can use them for pages, making pockets. Here's another Christmas one. And then these are more of like a regular kind of envelope, like the long ones, for like a bill size envelope. I don't know what that size is. And the last thing I found was this little old school stationery that you would use to put in your printer or just write. So it's a full pack of 25 letterheads. So yeah, that's what I found today at the Goodwill bins. Hopefully if you guys happen to have a bins location wherever you live, that you are able to find some cool things as well. Otherwise, check out some of my other videos. I'll have my playlist listed down below. Check out my most recent fairy journals and head over to Crystal's channel, Happy to Plan, and check out her planning videos. If you enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you again next time. This is Kim with Creative Crafticality. Bye. God bless.